Hello guys. Today we're talking about how the Chernobyl disaster happened and why it's still considered the worst nuclear accident in history. The Chernobyl disaster occurred on April 26, 1986, at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine, which was part of the Soviet Union at the time. The accident happened during a late-night safety test on Reactor 4. Engineers wanted to see if the reactor could continue producing power during a shutdown in case of an emergency. However, multiple critical mistakes were made. The reactor was running at dangerously low power, and operators disabled several important safety systems to keep the test going. On top of that, the reactor itself had a flawed design that made it unstable under these conditions. When the operators tried to shut the reactor down, a sudden power surge occurred instead. This caused a massive explosion that blew the reactor apart and released huge amounts of radioactive material into the air. A fire burned for days, spreading radiation across Ukraine, Europe, and beyond. Many workers and firefighters were exposed to lethal radiation levels, and nearby towns had to be permanently evacuated. Even decades later, the area remains heavily restricted. The Chernobyl disaster became a global warning about human error, poor reactor design, and the dangers of ignoring safety rules.